after so many years, maybe 3 years. So from now on I will try to upload videos. So I will be starting this thermodynamics series, that is basic thermodynamics, and gradually we will go into the applied thermodynamics. Okay, so today's topic is what is thermodynamics, and as you can see, system and surrounding. So what is thermodynamics? So it is the science. Okay, so what is thermodynamics? If you want to say, it is the science of energy transfer and its effect and its effects on properties of system. We'll study what is system and surrounding in this video, and also properties of a system in our upcoming videos. So you can see it is the science of energy transfer. Okay, so we are talking about energy transfer. So energy can be both heat, which is an and it can be also energy. So what I'm trying to say, let me write it down. So your energy, either it can be heat or it can be work. Heat is a disorganized form of energy. Okay, it's disorganized. We'll learn later on why it is disorganized, and work is the organized form of energy. So where we are dealing with heat and work, and we are and this energy transfer is affecting the properties of system, is what we study about, what we study in thermodynamics. Okay, so what is system? What is system? System, it is the region in space. Actually, it is a region in space upon which the study is focused. Okay, let me draw it and then you'll get to know. Suppose this is our system. This is our system, and anything outside the system, where we are not focusing, where we are focusing the study is the system, where we are not focusing is the surrounding. Okay, this is the surrounding, and the border between the system and surrounding is called the boundary, as you can see. Okay, it's called boundary. An entire thing comprises, system and surrounding comprises, it's called universe. Okay, so if I ask you what is surrounding, then what will be your answer then? What will be your answer? Anything external to the system, anything that is outside the system or external to the system is known as surrounding. Okay, and your system and surrounding, both this one and this one, combines, that's why I'm using the plus, is your universe. Okay, now this boundary, your boundary can be movable or fixed. We'll see in control volume and control mass thing why it is movable or fixed or rigid. Okay, so this is all about our what is thermodynamics and system and surrounding. And if you further go into we'll get to know that system is of three types. It can be closed system. Next is the open system. And the last one is the isolated system. So we'll study in further with controlled volume, but let me shorten it up. Here the mass transfer, the mass can go in and out, but here the mass cannot go in and out, but energy can go in and out in closed system. In open system, both mass and energy can go in and go out. In open system, both mass and energy, okay, but in closed system only energy transfer is possible. And in isolated system, both mass and energy cannot have the transfer. So we'll be studying it deeply about this thing in the next video. For this one, so we are done with what is thermodynamics and system and surrounding. Thank you for watching.